recording.
Alright, you guys, we're taking apart this guy's laptop. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Look at this big old dust bunny that we just got from here. All that trouble for this. Oh, vacuum cleaner. There's no more dust.
Make sure there's no screws around, or else it's gonna be stuck in, and then we're just gonna get it.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Was that supposed to happen?
I don't know.
What the fuck did you do?
Oh, we're all good. We're all good.
Was that supposed to happen? I don't even fucking know.
We have a special guest for you guys today. Enrique Iglesias y Juan Luis Guerra.
Don't want that be recording. People are gonna be saying, what the fuck? Enrique Iglesias.
Okay.
Alright. So there.
All that trouble to get one little dust bunny. Hopefully it's no more dust in there.
Try checking the speakers.
Well, we can't.
We can?
No, because the
Is
wire's
there-
fucked up.
Well, here's your left and right.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't know where you would buy the parts at.
Okay, I'll just sell the laptop.
That's why.
It's
You
on
want
sale.
this? Or you want to throw that away? Okay, where's that one little special pile for right here?
Just throw it away.
I gave you the wires, the screws.
Are they these ones or that one?
I don't know.
Yeah.
We dismantle a laptop and know what type of screws it was. That's yours.
I forgot. These are from. Oh, I don't know.
We're gonna guess. Just give me the smallest screws.
These
Smallest
ones.
screws.
These ones are the smallest.
Alright, alright.
These are like I
Hold
think
it.
the ones that these were the last ones you gave us.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Just put them down. Lay them down.
Just watch
Lay
out,
'em
watch
down.
out, watch out.
Oh shit! One of them fell down. Wait. Oh shit! Look, another one fell down.
Okay, don't worry. I know where those go. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got this.
Don't worry.
He's saying George Lopez. The one in the listening. Jesus Christ, this shit was just. At least I got this out the way.
Yeah. You could probably go to like a junkyard. Oh, like a try to find like a laptop like this, and that doesn't work, and just steal the part.
I'll get thrown in jail just for a little small piece.
No, I mean like we. Yeah.
Fucking bitch.
What?
My finger came on the camera.
Ah, that's stupid.
Oh well.
You go ahead at it. No more fingers, Jesus.
Your dad wakes up. What the fuck is where all this dust come from?
We'll be like, cut! Oh well. On the PC. Fuck it. I don't need speakers, I'll just use headphones.
Dude, this laptop looks like shit.
Oh really, that's what everybody buys.
Okay, we just lost the screw. We need that one.
He was a brave soldier.
You saying Iraq or Afghanistan and be saying that?
Hello,
Dude, that song, I'm changing it to one of mine.
No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Kind of worried about this.
Yeah.
He's saying the right time to be putting in music.
Why? What kind of music is it for?
What do you think?
Getting drunk. If you go to a Mexican bar, that's what they'll be putting in, and people you'll be hearing people go like, or some shit. Like, there's some perro, some shit like that. So basically, yeah, it's for junkies. Or people who just get their checks on Friday and just start spending on booze.
So is he fixing it? No, it's just...
We already did.
We already did.
Yeah. The speakers work?
No.
No.
Somebody.
Okay, Merry Christmas, speaker boy.
The speakers go on hammer.
This ain't gonna be going speakers going hammer, it's gonna be speakers going dead.
We lost a screw. Does anybody got like tweezers or something?
What?
Tweezers?
You got some at your house. That's what you use to masturbate.
No. You.
You do.
Somebody look on this guy's like masters.
Don't we have a magnet?
No. Oh, we do, but...
We should screw that one up. Right?
What are you doing, Junior?
Wait, where's the just?
This is gonna go on my YouTube channel, guys.
These are from these.
The 3 little ones.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
that's
don't lose them.
Franklin fucking up a laptop. Part 1. Part 3.
It's called Stupid Adventures, dumbass. The screen just turned black.
You bet.
Oh, never mind.
Oh,
No.
hell no, no more violin. My dad's sleeping. Just keep rolling the camera.
Why do you say my? Shouldn't it be our dad?
That's what we got used to.
It's his dad. Nah.
No way.
You could have him. Oh, yeah, it's true. Dad always favored him. Yeah, you're his favorite. Yeah, he does. Seriously, he's
That's
his
just being a freaking.
Shut up, you don't even know how to drive.
I'm getting my license this year.
Sure you're not. Sure you're not.
Next
Don't you
year.
know how
I
to...
could pass him. This nigga doesn't even know the stop signs.
Well, you know the test.
What does
but you
this
don't know
mean?
Driving free.
Yale.
What does the octagon mean?
Lawrence, you might die young. I don't recommend it.
That's what I thought.
What does the octomon mean?
It means, watch out. There's gonna be a yield sign on the front.
No.
I don't know what it means. I always keep wondering what
It's just a warning sign.
See, it's a warning sign.
I had to take the fucking driving test over again because it's like an orange and purple one for instruction. Some shit. And we never, it was in the back of the book. He never told us about it.
Oh, you're like son of a bitch. You're gonna get a car?
Already got one. Just need to get the license within this month. Or we'll have to get it by the 4th by next month, or my permit expires and I have to do all this shit again.
They say you could get your license without paying if you do a great on the test.
They
Better
stopped
find
that.
that shit.
Cause my friend
You
got his
just lost a
license.
screw.
Oh shit. It's on the ground.
You guys done cleaning?
What are you doing, Junior? Playing Black
Look at
Ops.
this, look at this. Oh, touchdown, motherfucker. Hardcore, capture the flag.
Wow, now this dude's recording Black Ops. Jesus Christ, I thought this was recording.
Saved it. You guys drop that in here.
Shit. Fucking dude.
Which one? This one?